Hello my darlings, and welcome to my Sigil Magic series. Each month I create a unique magic sigil that you can use for your own spell work. In this video I create a sigil for a peaceful holiday season. Let's do some magical crafting. I'm using a worksheet I designed to create this sigil. If you'd like to download any of my sigil making worksheets, please visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. My patrons can download recipes, Book of Shadows pages, artwork, and more, all provided as PDFs. To begin creating the magical sigil, I start with the magical intention. I write this out as a positive phrase. My statement for this sigil is the holidays are peaceful. Do not combine too many ideas into a single sigil. It's best to have one clear intent that represents your true will. I remove all vowels, leaving only consonants. Consonants are the manifesting sounds. If a consonant is repeated, I use it only one time. I am left with THL, DYS, RPCF. Next, I create a sigil using all of these letters. To start, I use the C and D to create a circle with a line down the middle. Then I place the H in the center and the Y on top of that. Next, I add the R and the P. And finally, the S. All of these rounded shapes create almost a fan shape or a pinwheel. Then I add in the lines from the F, the L, and the T. Once I've worked out the general shapes, I refine it into a more organic sigil. It usually takes me 3 or 4 refinements to get to a final outcome that I'm really happy with. You do not have to settle for your first result unless you like it on the first try. As I work, I put my energy and will into the creation of the sigil. I concentrate on the intention as I create it. The holidays are peaceful. I took the final result and scanned it into Photoshop and recreated it as a digital artwork, which I placed on a colorful background inside of a circle. And here is the final sigil printed out onto a heat transferable vinyl sheet, which I'll cut out and iron onto a muslin drawstring bag. This design will be transferred onto spell bags for my Sigil Spell Bag tier patrons this month. Sigil Spell Bag patrons receive a monthly pen pal card with a note from me and a new Sigil Spell Bag tucked inside their card each month. If you'd like to become a Sigil Spell Bag patron, I'll put a link in the description below. This sigil is meant to be shared. Feel free to use it in any magical workings that you do related to reducing stress around the holidays. You can fill your spell bag with anything you like: herbs, tag locks, petitions, crystals, and more. What you choose for your spell bag will be personal to you and the magical intent you're making it for. I'm sending you blessings of comfort and joy, and may your holidays be filled with peace.